students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of our class. In the previous class, we discussed about the first portion of our fourth lesson, that is good habits. Our fourth lesson is good habits, and we discussed about two children. Two children's name. What are the names of two children? Mukul and Anandi. Who were the brother and sister? Mukul and Anandi were the brother and sister, and their character is entirely different in each other. Their character is entirely different, and one of them was a disciplined one, and the other one was a has no discipline. Other one has no discipline. Mukul is in first standard. Have the summary of the first portion. Mukul is in second standard. Mukul is studying in second standard, and his sister Anandi is in first standard. The two children were Mukul and Anandi. Listen here. Listen to the spelling. Do you study the spelling? Mukul and Anandi. Who were the brother and sister? Mukul and Anandi. Anandi. Mukul and Anandi were the brother and sister, and Mukul is studying in second standard. Mukul is studying in second standard, and Anandi is studying in first standard. Anandi is studying in first standard. Mukul is not disciplined. Not disciplined. Not disciplined. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E-D. Disciplined. Mukul is not disciplined, whereas Anandi is disciplined. Anandi is disciplined child. Disciplined child. Anandi is a disciplined child, but Mukul is not a disciplined child. And Mukul scattered his things here and there. Scattered his things. Scattered his bags. Then bags, uniforms, etc. Scattered his bags, uniforms, etc. But Anandi put her bags, books and uniform, etc. in proper place. Uniform, etc. in proper place, correct place, proper place. Okay, what are the difference between Mukul and Anandi? Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister, and there are a lot of difference in their character. Their nature, character means nature, so their nature is entirely different. Their nature is entirely different. What are the characteristics of Mukul's character? Mukul's nature. Mukul is studying in second standard. Mukul is studying in second standard, and he is not a disciplined child. He is not a disciplined child, and he is scattered. S-C-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. The spelling of scattered. What is the spelling of scattered? S-C-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Scattered means put things here and there. Scattered means putting things here and there. Scattered. He is in the habit of scattering his school bags, books and uniforms here and there. But Anandi is entirely different from her brother. Anandi is entirely different from her brother. She is studying in class first. She is studying in first standard, and she is a well-disciplined child. Anandi is a well-disciplined child, and she put her bags, books and uniform in proper places. We have a almirah or wardrobe to put our uniform. We have to put our bag in the shelf. We have to take out our lunch box and snacks box from the bag and put it in the kitchen. Okay, that are the good habits, good manners of children. Whenever they come return to home from the school, what are the things they have to do? Untie the shoes and socks in the outside of the house. Outside of the house, and put them in the proper place or laundry box. Put your socks in the laundry box, and the other things they do. Put the bag in the proper place or their studying place. Then took out the lunch box and the snacks box from the bag and give it to your mother, or put it in the provided place in the kitchen or sink or like that place, and put your uniform in the laundry bin. Put your uniform in the laundry bin. These are the good habits. Then after washing your hands and face, you have to have the snacks. These are the good habits. But here, Mukul is not a disciplined child. Mukul is not a disciplined child, whereas his sister Anandi is a well-disciplined one. Anandi is a well-disciplined one. I will read the first question once more. You please listen to the text, page number 35. Mukul is in second standard. His sister Anandi is in first standard. Mukul and Anandi were very different in nature. They are not like, they are not same. The opposite of different is same. Different. Opposite same. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-D. Different. Opposite same. Yesterday I told you same. Opposite of different is same. They are not same. They are entirely different in nature. Mukul is careless, whereas Anandi is disciplined. The other way is careless. Mukul is careless, but Anandi is the opposite character, careful. Anandi is very careful, but Mukul is careless. The opposite of careless is careful. There are two opposite words, different, same. Then careless, careful. Anandi is careful, whereas Mukul is careless. Mukul and Anandi are very different in nature. Mukul is careless, whereas Anandi is disciplined. She always put her bags, books and uniforms in its proper place. What is the nature of Anandi? Anandi, whenever she get back from the school, she put her bags, books and uniform in the proper place provided for that. Mukul is not disciplined. He always leaves his things scattered here and there. Scattered means putting things here and there, or not in the proper place. Scattered meaning putting things here and there, not in the place provided for that. That is scattered. Sometimes he even loses them. Very often that means he is not putting the things in correct order. So there is a chance to lose them. There is a chance to lose them. He throws these things here and there and slumps on the sofa. Slumps means whenever he come back from school, he is scattering his book. He is putting his book here and putting his uniform over the bag, on top of the bag, or putting his shoes here and there, and he fall on the sofa for sleeping. He fall on the sofa. That is slumps. There is a new word, slumps. What is the meaning of slumps? Fall suddenly. To fall suddenly. Slumps means to fall suddenly. S-L-U-M-P-S. Slumps on the sofa. One day he was upset because he could not find his maths copy. Which book was missing? His maths copy book was missing. Whose maths copy book was missing? Mukul's maths notebook was maths copy book. Maths not notebook. Maths copy book was missing. He loses his maths copy book. He asked his mother. She was preparing breakfast for them. What was her mother doing? What was their mother doing in the morning? Their mother was preparing breakfast for them. Their mother was preparing breakfast for them. There we stopped in the previous class. I will read it once more. You please listen. Mukul is in second standard. His sister Anandi is in first standard. Mukul and Anandi are very different in nature. Mukul is careless, whereas Anandi is disciplined. She always put her bags, books and uniform in its proper place. Mukul is not disciplined. He always leaves his things scattered. Sometimes he even loses them. He throws his things here and there and slumps on the sofa. One day, he was upset because he could not find his maths copy. He asked his mother. She was preparing breakfast for them. What was the mother doing? Mother was preparing breakfast for them. Okay, there we stopped in the previous class. And I am telling it once more. The character of Mukul and Anandi. What is the character of Mukul and Anandi? Are they same? No, they are not same. They are very different in their nature. Mukul is studying in second standard, whereas Anandi is studying in first standard. Mukul is not disciplined, whereas Anandi is disciplined. Mukul scattered his things here and there, but Anandi put her bags, books, uniforms, etc. in proper places. Is it clear? Yes. Take page number 36. Mukul thought he would miss the school bus. What was the problem with Mukul? Mukul lost her. Mukul couldn't find his maths copy book. He thought that he would miss the the school bus. Thought, the past tense of think. Listen here. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Thought means chindichu, vidarichu. Thought, the past tense of think. Mughal thought that he will miss his school bus. Mughal thought he would miss the school bus. He requested Anandi to help him. Anandi is ready for school. Why? She is getting ready very fast because she arranged her things in the proper place. She arranged the things in the proper place. So it is very easy to take her books as per timetable, take her uniform provided for the day, and it is very easy for her. But Mughal is scattering in the evening. Mughal is scattering things here and there, and in the morning it is very tough to find the correct things from the correct place. The things are not put in the correct position. He couldn't find his maths book. He requested his mother and Anandi to find his maths notebook. He requested means pleaded. Pleaded. He requested Anandi to help him. He requested Anandi, please come and find my maths book. Please help me to find my maths book. He was nearly in tears. Means he was going to cry. Now he feel sorry for his nature. I will never do such things. You can please help me to find my maths notebook. Here is a new word for you. Requested. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T-E-D. Requested. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T-E-D. Wanted earnestly. Requested means asked earnestly. What is the meaning of requested? Asked earnestly, politely. Anandi, please come and help me. He was nearly in tears. He was about to cry. Nearly. N-E-A-R-L-Y. Listen here. N-E-A-R-L-Y. N-E-A-R-L-Y. Nearly about to cry. He was going to cry. He was at the edge of tears. He was in the boundary of tears. He was in tears. Mughal thought he would miss the school bus. He requested Anandi to help him. He was nearly in tears. Anandi found a book under the quilt. Quilt means pillow, bed sheet or pillow cover. Quilt. Anandi found the book under the quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Blanket. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Where was the book? Under the quilt. The book was under the quilt. Anandi found the book under the quilt. She told him to be careful in future. Anandi is the younger one, and she advised Mughal, the elder brother, to be not lazy in future, to be careful in future. You won't scatter your books here and there, then it will be very easy for you to arrange the books in the morning. Anandi found the book. Found means the past tense of find. Found, the past tense of find. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Anandi found the book under the quilt, and she advised her brother not to be careless. You should be very careful in your future. Future means in the coming days. Future. F-U-T-U-R-E. Future. F-U-T-U-R-E. Future means in the coming days. Future. Mughal learned a lesson. He learned a lesson from his younger sister. He promised that he would not be careless in future. On finding the book from under the quilt, he became very happy. On getting the book, maths book, he became very happy, and he promised his sister. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Promised. Mughal. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Promised his sister. He gave a word. He promised that he would not be careless in future. He will be very careful in future. I will be very careful in the future, and I will not repeat this again. Mother was happy to see a changed Mughal. Mughal was changed, and mother became very happy to see a changed Mughal. That means the nature of Mughal changed. Nowadays, after that day, he is very careful, and he is a disciplined boy. He became a disciplined boy. On seeing the change in the character of Mughal, mother became very happy. Mother was happy to see a changed Mughal. Changed. C-H-A-N-G-E-D. C-H-A-N-G-E-D. That means his character changed. He became a good boy. He became a good boy. Earlier, he was a not disciplined one, he was very careless, but now he is very careful, and then onwards he is behaving in a proper way and he is arranging things in the proper place. So his mother became very happy. Mother was happy to see a changed Mughal. He had become more careful and disciplined. What was the change? He became more careful and disciplined than Anandi. Anandi was very careful, she is very disciplined, and now Mughal also changes to a disciplined boy. D-I-S-C-I, disciplined. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E-D, disciplined one. Careful and disciplined. He became a disciplined boy. Mother was happy to see a changed Mughal. He had become more careful and disciplined. He put his things in their proper place. What was the change? He put his things in the proper place. He put his bags in the place provided for him, and he put his books in the proper place. He put his lunch box and snacks box in the proper place, and he is now a disciplined child. Mughal became a disciplined child. She promised them a treat. Who promised to give a treat? Mother promised to give them a treat. T-R-E-A-T, treat. T-R-E-A-T, treat. Treat means whenever something is given in happiness, it will be considered as a treat. Whenever you score high marks in your class, or whenever your birthday is celebrated, you will get a treat. Treat means something you are that is given to you as a token of happiness, as a token of happiness. Here, the mother became very happy. Why the mother became very happy? The mother became very happy because her son's nature or character is changed. Her son is changed a lot. He became a disciplined child and a very careful child, like her daughter. Then she became very happy, and the mother promised them to give a treat for them. Mother promised them to give a treat. Mughal and Anandi were now very happy. On hearing the words from the mother, they became, the sister and brother became very happy. Okay. Is it an interesting story? Yes, I read it from the very beginning. You please listen. Mughal is in second standard. You listen carefully to the text. Mughal is in second standard. His sister Anandi is in first standard. Mughal and Anandi are very different in nature. Mughal is careless, whereas Anandi is disciplined. She always puts her bags, books and uniform in the proper place. Mughal is not disciplined. He always leaves his things scattered. Sometimes he even loses them. He throws his things here and there and slumps on the sofa. One day he was upset because he could not find his maths copy. He asked his mother. She was preparing breakfast for them. What was his mother doing? Her mother was preparing breakfast for them. Mughal thought he would miss the school bus. What was the thought of Mughal? Mughal thought that he would miss the school bus. He requested Anandi to help him. He was nearly in tears. What is the meaning of that? He was about to cry. He was about to cry. Anandi found the book under the quilt. Where was the book? Under the quilt, under the bed sheet. Anandi found the book under the quilt. She told him to be careful in future. Anandi told, what did Anandi tell Mughal? Anandi told Mughal to be careful in future, to be more careful in future. Mughal learned a lesson. What lesson did Mughal learn? He promised that he would not be careless in future. I will be very careful in future. I will not repeat this again. He told to Anandi. Mother was very happy to see a changed Mughal. On seeing the change in Mughal, who became very happy? Mother became very happy because now Mughal changed into a disciplined child. He had become a more careful and disciplined one. He put his things in their proper place. What did Mughal do? Mughal put his things in the proper place. She promised them a treat. Mother promised to give them a treat. Mughal and Anandi were very happy. Mughal and Anandi became very happy. Okay, this is the end of this chapter. You read the text so many times, and that will help you to study the notes. Now we are discussing about some simple question and answer. Let us find out some simple question. I will write some simple questions and you find the answers for that. Simple questions. Then I will before that I will say these two words and its spellings. Okay. THOUGHT. 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 The next word is requested. 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 Next word nearly. 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 Then quilt. 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 Then found. 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 FUTURE. 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 Then promised. 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 Next word changed. 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 Disciplined. 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 The next word is treat. TREAT. There are two opposite words. Different. First one is different spelling. DIFFERENT. Different. Opposite word same. Then careless. 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 Opposite word careful. CAREFUL. Okay. I will write some simple questions. First question. First question. Can you read this question? Who are the brother and sister? Who are the brother and sister? Can you say the answer? Who are the brother and sister in this lesson? Who are the brother and sister? Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Answer. Mukul and do not write in the notebook. Note will come to you. Now you study this. Okay. Or you write in a daily book, daily activity book. Mukul and Anandi. ANANDI. Anandi are the brother and sisters. Are the brother and sister. BROTHER. Brother and sister. AND and sister. SISTER. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Who are the brother and sister? Who are the brother and sister? Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Next question. Write the character of Mukul. Second question. The name. Describe. DESCRIBE. Describe the nature of Mukul. NATURE. Nature. Nature means character. Describe the nature of Mukul. Can you describe the nature of Mukul? What is the nature of Mukul? Describe the nature of Mukul. Can you describe? Mukul is very careless. Mukul is very careless. Mukul is very careless. He is a careless one. Very careless. CARELESS. What is his nature? He is scattering things here and there. He scattered. He scattered. SCATTERED. Scattered things here and there. He scattered things here and there. He scattered things here and there. Here and there. He scattered things here and there. Mukul is very careless. He scattered things here and there. He slumps on the sofa. He slumps slumps. S-L-U-M-P-S. Slumps means to fall suddenly. What is the meaning of slumps? To fall suddenly. He slumps on the sofa. On the sofa. He slumps on the sofa. Can you describe the nature of Mukul? Mukul is very careless. He scattered things here and there. He slumps on the sofa. Then third question. Describe the character of Anandi. Describe the nature of Anandi. Describe the nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature of Anandi. Nature of Anandi. Can you describe the nature of Anandi? Can you say some sentence about Anandi? Anandi is very careful. Anandi is a disciplined child. Anandi is very careful and disciplined. Careful and disciplined. Careful and disciplined. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E-D. Disciplined. Anandi is very careful and disciplined. And she put her things in the proper place. She put her bags. Put her bags, book and uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform in the proper place. In the proper, P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper means correct. Proper place. P-L-A-C. This is the nature of Anandi. Okay, I will read the questions and their answers. You please listen here. First question. Who are the brother and sister? Can you say the answer? Yes, Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. You study it now. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Read this question and answer so many times. Who are the brother and sister? This part we can use in the answer also. The place of who you can write Mukul and Anandi. Then the rest of the sentence will be the same. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Mukul and Anandi are the brother and sister. Okay. Next question. Describe the nature of Mukul. Describe the nature of Mukul. Mukul is very careless. Mukul is very careless. He scattered things here and there. He scattered things here and there. And he slumps on the sofa. What did he do? He slumps on the sofa. Then describe the nature of Anandi. Describe the nature of Anandi. Then Anandi is very careful and disciplined. Anandi is very careful and disciplined. She put her bag, books and uniform in the proper place. She put her bag, books and uniform in the proper place. And Anandi and Mukul are entirely different. Anandi is very careful and disciplined, and she put her bag, books and uniform in the proper place. Then fourth question. What was their mother doing? What was their mother doing? What was their mother doing? What was T-H-E-I-R there? There are two theirs. T-H-E-R is there and T-H-E-I are there. Here T-H-E-I are there. Our day. What was their mother doing? What was their mother doing? Can you say the answer? Mother doing. What was their mother doing? What was their mother doing? Their mother was preparing breakfast. Their mother was preparing breakfast. T-H-E-I-R there. First letter capital because it is the beginning of a sentence. So we write the beginning of the question, the first letter of the question and the first letter of the answer should be every time should be capital. Their mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, their mother was preparing breakfast. P-R-E, spelling of preparing, P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G, was preparing breakfast. Their mother was preparing breakfast. Their mother was preparing breakfast. Fifth question. Which book was missing? Which book was missing? Which book was missing? Book was missing. Was missing. M-I-S-S-I-N-G. Missing. Which book was missing? Which book was missing? Maths copy book was missing. Mughals. M-U-K-U-L''S. Mughals maths copy book was missing. M-A-T-H-S. Maths copy book was missing. Maths copy book. C-O-P-Y-B-O-O-K. Copy book was missing. Was missing. Mughals maths copy book was missing. Mughals maths copy book was missing. Which book was missing? Mughals maths copy book was missing. Which is the which can be the next question? Can you say a question? Can you make a question from this lesson? Where was the book? Where was the book? Sixth one. Where was the book? Where was the book? Where was the book? Can you say the answer? Where was the book? The book was under the quilt. The book was under the quilt. Under the quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. The book was under the quilt. The book was under the quilt. And Mughal changed his character, and now he became a good boy, and he became very careful and a disciplined one. He became very careful and a disciplined one. If they look at these three questions, what was their mother doing? What was their mother doing? Their mother was preparing breakfast. Their mother was preparing breakfast. Their mother was preparing breakfast. Then fifth question, which book was missing? Which book was missing? These are very simple questions and answers. We can also find so many questions from this lesson. Which book was missing? Mughals maths copy book was missing. Mughals maths copy book was missing. Then where was the book? The book was under the quilt. Where was the book? The book was under the quilt. Who found the book? Okay, we can also write one more question. Who found the book? Seventh question. Who found the book? Who? F-O-U-N-D. Found the book. Who found the book? Can you say the answer? Who found the book? Anandi. A-N-A-N-D-I. Anandi found the book. Anandi found the book. B-O-O-K. We can make so many questions from one paragraph. Okay, one lesson we can make so many simple questions and one word answers. Okay, that will help you to learn the lesson very thoroughly. Okay, then I will read that text once more. That will help you to study well. You please listen to the text. Once more, you please listen to page number 35. Mughal is in second standard. His sister Anandi is in first standard. Mughal and Anandi are very different in nature. Mughal is careless, whereas Anandi is disciplined. She always put her bags, books and uniform in the proper place. Mughal is not disciplined. He always leaves his things scattered. Sometimes he even loses them. He throws his things here and there and slumps on the sofa. One day he was upset because he could not find his maths copy. He asked his mother. She was preparing breakfast for them. Mughal thought he would miss the school bus. He requested Anandi to help him. He was nearly in tears. Anandi found a book under the quilt. She told him to be careful in future. Mukul learned a lesson. He promised that he would not be careless in future. Mother was happy to see a changed Mukul. He had become more careful and disciplined. He put his things in their proper place. She promised them a treat. Mukul and Anandi were very happy. The most important thing is you should read the text so many times. Text reading is very important. You should read the text at least 2 or 3 times and tell your parent to help you or sit with you while you was reading the text. Okay. Wish you all the best. Let us continue in the next class. Today let us wind up the class. Thank you.